2nd of May 2020. Everything now is going out. Summit's only their second time. But everything's going well at the lofts. They're really relaxed. Some are taking a bath, and they're just having a few hours open loft. Just to say, while the birds are out, there's always 2 of us around. Make sure if they're attacked or anything by birds of prey, then we can try and sort it out. The plan now is, after about a week, they will all be locked out, and then after an hour or so they can come back through the traps or the trapping area, and then after, when we get to sort of middle of May, then they'll be start to be flagged. They'll all have to get up in the air, and we'll start increasing that until the end of May. First week of June, we'll now start their education on the trailer. And from then on, we'll take them short training tosses until July, once they've been off the dark for 2 weeks, which should be, they come off the dark about the 3rd week of June. And then we can start moving them on up to 30-40 miles training. And then hotspot 1 will be sometime in August, 1st week of August. Anyway, just a little update for you, and I'll keep you updated.